News at 6:30.
A lot of preparation in the middle and the high school and our elementary schools. I mean, everybody has just been working so hard to get to this day.
Can you believe it? The first day of school is in the books, at least for the Washoe County School District. Back to school coverage tops 2 News at 6:30. Good evening, everyone. I'm Ryan Canada. Kristen's off tonight. Thanks for being with us. Now, in the Washoe County School District, there's no more hybrid or distance learning. All students are back to in-person learning and classrooms are 100% filled. But even with those changes, Michelle Lorenzo found the coronavirus didn't seem like a big concern for families she spoke with.
Buses filled with kids emptied at Desert Heights Elementary School Monday morning. While many were excited to see familiar masked faces greeted with hugs and high fives, other little ones stayed close to mom and dad before the first bell of the new year with first day jitters.
He's a little nervous, but we're excited. I love it. I'm glad that they're back.
First day is always nervous. It's a wreck at the house, trying to get everybody together and ready and on time, and just make sure everyone's ready for the first day.
The Nunnallys weren't the only ones who had to be prepared. District officials say it took a lot of work to make sure schools were ready for another school year during a pandemic.
You know, we're going to have our challenges throughout this year, and we'll do what we did last year. We'll adjust and we'll hit it, you know, and we'll do what we need to do.
Just as school starts, new coronavirus cases continue to soar in the U.S. with a growing concern of the Delta variant. Health experts say there are more pediatric cases, and they say nearly 1 in 5 cases were kids in the last week of July. And as vaccines are an effective protection against the virus, children under 12 are still not eligible to get the shot. But parents we spoke with said they're confident that their kids are safe.
Washoe County's pretty good about keeping them safe.
They all got masks, so we're doing what we can.
And that was Michelle Lorenzo reporting for us. School district officials say even though there are no social distancing or capacity requirements, they're still keeping up with hygiene and cleaning protocols. And of course, the masks are sticking around for now. And it was also the first day of school for Valley schools in Douglas County. And those students do not have to wear face coverings. That's because Governor Sisolak's requirement only applies to counties with 100,000 people or more, so just Washoe and Clark counties. However, adults will have to wear face coverings while indoors, and students and adults will have to wear face coverings while on school buses. Carson City's school district announced a similar mask policy last week. As for when other kids will start school, well, Carson City students will be heading back to class a week from today. That's also when kindergarten starts for Washoe County schools and when Story County schools resume. Lyon County schools begin 2 days later on August 18th. And then Washoe County schools in Incline and Douglas County schools up at Tahoe begin 2 weeks from today, along with the Churchill County School District. Humboldt County schools begin 3 weeks from today on August 30th. And please stay with 2 News in the days and weeks ahead for back to school continuing coverage both on the air and on our 2 News app.